Good morning, everyone. Sorry, the sun's right in the way. Hey, Teresa's off. She's over there. We are doing chores. Teresa got some lights for the duck pen. Yeah. So, where are the duckies? There you are. What's up, ducks? You looking for food? Yeah, so I'm gonna get this stinky part out of the way. Hold on a sec. Well, ducks are almost done. Teresa wants to clean their pen. She's doing the chickens right now, so I got some duck feed. Gonna put in the bin and turn their water off because it's full. So here we go.
I think I need a drill to start that hook.
Teresa needs a drill to start the hook.
And the chicken water.
Chicken water. Okay. Let's do that, shall we? Alright, well, halfway done. Teresa's doing the duck pen now. I just got all the water out of the hose and yeah, that's mud slash poop. I wiped my face and got it all over, so if I have poo on my face, you know why. So, oh my gosh, Emmy is going nuts this morning, thinking that she deserves a treat, but who knows. Filling the cow trough. The trusty dogs are with us, so got to finish the cow trough and empty that hose, and then I'll go bug Teresa. Oh wait, I need to go get a drill and then we'll bug Teresa. So hold on, I'll bring you guys with us. Hi Buster, what are you doing? Huh? Hey, what are you doing? He's still not very tame. We gotta work on you, huh? Little cannon. He's more interested in the dogs than anything. And that's okay. Boy, the field is greening up nicely. Hey, look at all that green stuff behind you. Why don't you go eat that? No? Matter of fact, why don't you go entertain the girls over there so they'll be quiet? Go get them. Hey, go get them. Yeah, I guess it's not like a dog, I guess. So, well then, let's go get the drill. All right.
Oh, I need a stool. I need a bucket.
Teresa's not tall enough. Hold on.
I need a bucket.
I got one good hand.
No.
Oh, she's gonna attempt it again.
I can't. It's too high.
It's too high. Here, you hold that. Give me that. You hold this.
The short people problems.
Up here.
Yeah, over so it hangs. Yeah, right there. That looks good.
Is it forward? Yes. Is it dull?
Got all this stupid net in there because the starlings go and set up shop.
That's even worse.
You're doing it left-handed, so. Did it? I know, that netting.
Yeah. Where's the hook?
I have it in my pants.
Oh, well, I'll hold this. We're quite the team. This is the netting she's talking about.
Uh-oh.
The starlings used to...
I can do this part, maybe.
You can't reach it.
I can't reach it.
The starlings came in here and pooped all over, so we had to do something. Hold on, she's gonna get the camera now.
Hi, Buster. You good-looking boy. You good-looking boy.
Babe, so is it this chain that's in here?
Yeah. You might be able to just take it from the one side and just hook it over, and then I'll adjust it at the bottom.
Oh.
I can do that part.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, your turn.
Okay.
This is for the camera for the water. What was that, Billy? What was that? There, she's got her now.
All right.
Let's pick this up.
Go
All right.
higher.
No, that's right at their beak level, I think. Okay. So that's what she did. Get it off the ground. Ooh, chain it up there. Now. Good job, honey.
Oh, thanks.
Did we check eggs yet?
Yeah, I got 4.
Ooh, 4 eggs. Look at them. All right, let's gather them. Good job, chickens. So Teresa's calling this the duck palace now. I'll show you what she's doing. She's hanging lights for them. These are solar lights from the good old Costco.
I gotta take that red wire out.
Yeah. Hope you guys are happy.
They will be.
What do you think? Huh? You gonna jump out? You gonna jump out? Graceful. Alright. Let's go out here. And obviously it's solar, so we'll hang it somewhere in here. Kind of like it facing south, but we'll see what happens.
Come back across to the other side, I'll have enough.
Okay. Alright, so here it is. I don't know if you can see it, but up and down both sides of the eave. And then it hooks into the solar. And it's facing southeast-ish, but it'll be good enough. You get a charge on it.
It'll be great.
Teresa's happy. You know what that means? That means the ducks will be happy too. So,
Right.
onto the cats and then out of the wind. I'm tired of the wind already, so we'll talk to you guys later. This is how I get close to them. Feed him alfalfa pellets. You know, from this angle, Buster's pretty dang big, aren't you? Let's try petting him. Oh boy, yeah. Oh, I know you'll let me pet you. Little cannon. sun. He's even getting in there and getting some. Here's the noisy one, right there. Right there. Very boisterous. Oh, Buster, come on. Alright. I'm done playing with the cows. Well, good morning, everyone. It's March. I hate it when I do this. You're welcome, Brett. March 14th. It is Thursday, and it is absolutely beautiful outside. Just another stunning day here at the farm. So, have a few things to do. Gotta check on all the birds, make sure they're all good, check for eggs. Then the list continues. Need to put a windshield wiper on the side-by-side. That's not really important, but it's down in the garage right now. My truck's back. That's why the side-by-side is in the garage, because it was gone. So yeah, I got to put a windshield wiper in that. It shouldn't take too long. Have to feed a bale of hay to the cows. The pasture's growing. I just want it to grow a little bit more before I stop feeding them. Sorry, I don't know what I was filming there. And then continue to drag the field. I think there's one other thing that I'm forgetting too, but hey, you know what? We'll figure that out on the way. So here we go. All right, I got the birds done. The tractor's warming up. I got the dog poop picked up. And now I'm installing the windshield wiper up yonder. So it's just a manual job. This will go on the inside right here. And you just, let me get back, go like this, and your windshield will wipe. It's manual, but you know what? It's gonna be pretty handy when it's raining or snowing out. Mostly for hunting season, but anyway, I have an HV guy coming to check the furnace out, to do some PM to it, and yeah, hopefully he'll be here shortly so I can get my stuff done. So anyway, that's what's going on. I'll show you the windshield wiper when it's done. Should be pretty cool. All right, so here it is. It's the windshield wiper part. Let me get it down. It's a little long. It hits right there, but I can just get a shorter blade and it'll work awesome. So watch this. See if I can get all of it. Here, I'll do it from this way. Whoop, 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 whoop. Pretty cool, huh? Well, heating guy's late. So, we're just playing fetch, no. Sit. Good. Go get it. Yeah, so I don't know how much longer I'm gonna wait for him. He's supposed to be here 15-20 minutes ago, and I got stuff to do, so I'm just gonna get on the tractor. Both the garage doors are open, so, and I got the utility room open, wide open, so in the event he pulls in, he can hopefully see what he needs to do. So, and I'll be watching, but anyway, I gotta get on the tractor and get some stuff done, so let's go. Good morning, everyone. It's man, why do I always do this? It's sometime in March. Let me think real quick. St. Patty's Day was 2 days ago, so today's 3 days ago. Today's March 20th, I think. Just heading out to drag the field some more. Everybody has seen me doing that. That's a whole lot of fun. Loretta is bellering like you wouldn't believe. I think she's in a pretty good heat. Buster better make some stuff happen. So anyway, you guys can hear that, but here comes some geese. So yeah, that's what's going on today. Supposed to be like in the 60s today, 65 I think, and it's the last nice day. Today's the first day of spring. So with that being said, tomorrow and the next 5 or 6 days after that, it's supposed to be snowing and raining. So welcome to spring in Montana. So anyway, we are filling up the tractor. Oh, dogs are chasing a bunny rabbit. They are super slow. The rabbit's up here, way up here, and here come the dogs. Yeah, a mess. So let the tractor warm up. I gotta put some fuel in it, so yeah, that's the agenda. So hold on, everyone. Whew. All right, we got the tractor all fueled up, and now I'm dropping gloves and everything else. Now I gotta adjust this so it sits up a little bit higher. You can hear Loretta in the background. Very noisy today. So yeah, I'm gonna get started, and we'll catch you guys later. I'm not gonna film me dragging the field because everyone's seen that. So we'll catch up later. Talk to you then. Hey everyone. March 21st today. The winter storm is coming again. Not so much for us, maybe a little bit to the north of us, but still the next 5-ish days don't look very good. Ducks say hi. The weather, well, today is Thursday, so Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's absolutely beautiful. 60 plus degrees. Couldn't have asked for better stuff. Good Lord. And now it's spitting rain. It's cold. And I think in a couple days it's not even supposed to get into the 30s, but anyway, enough about that stupid stuff. I don't know if you can tell down below, but these are our cows. Cannon, it looks like, is laying by the fence line over there. I can't really see through the camera. But anyway, the neighbor, the farmer rancher below us, he's brought his Angus up, his Wagyu Angus up, and what that says to me, us, is they're gonna start calving here pretty soon. So that's always a fun time of the year for us, looking out and seeing all the spring babies and all that kind of stuff. So let's get this on. Wait a minute. I'm missing a piece. How the hell did that happen? Ah. Well. Oh. Well. Someone put the wrong end on the wrong side. So let's try this again. Here. This goes here. There, that works a little bit better. Anyway, couple new things. Come on. Sorry, I'm shaking you around. So we are headed to Seattle. Well, not Seattle. The Washington area, Graham. For the weekend. Teresa's sister's birthday, Suzanne, so everyone wish Suzanne a happy birthday on Sunday, I think. My brother Pat, his birthday's on Saturday the 23rd, so hey, big brother, happy birthday. Love you bunch. So that's some of the new things. I am trying a new computer, and all the videos I've done before have been just on my phone. So Teresa and I bought a computer, and I'm trying this movie type download thing. So yeah, we'll see if it works. If it doesn't, well, I get it all for nothing. But it should be pretty simple. I'm almost done with it. Just had to add this little part here. So anyway, we hope you guys had a great couple weeks. I know I've slowed down on the videos, but I had to drag the entire field, as you guys all seen. It's not very fun stuff. It's a lot of tractor time. So anyway, we will be back at it on Tuesday, I think. I think we're coming back on Monday. So anyway, hope you guys have a great weekend coming up. Don't forget to wish everybody a happy birthday. Suzanne, Patrick, happy birthday. We'll talk to you guys soon.